It's been 30 days or more since I've been outside, you guys. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I got something extra special for you guys. I'm gonna be taking you through all of my day as I flowed through it. They officially opened up, well, did a partial opening. So I decided I'm gonna head out, and I haven't been out the house, oh my god, like I'm embarrassed to even admit it. I haven't been out of the house in probably 2 months, you guys. So yes, I'm gonna take you as I flow through my day. We're gonna go over to Michael's and do some little artsy shopping. We're gonna talk about quarantine activities and all of that jazz. Oh my god, you guys, so I love taking you along with me during these little vlogs, showing you a little bit of the city. And it's full of rich culture, lots of community and beautiful like street art. And it was hustling and bustling, you guys. Like, people was out there in full force, some with or without masks, okay? But we're not even gonna get into that one, okay? So let me know in the comments, do you like these sort of vlogs where I take you along with me and, you know, we get out there and just explore and stuff like that, and then we do a little art at the end? And we're here. Looking crazy, y'all. That's it. It's quarantine life. Let's get it. Ooh, these are super cute. I love flowers, you guys. You know that. Like, ew. This is the first time I've been in Michael's in like 4 months. I think I might get that. I think so. This is really crazy, you guys. I'm gonna have to hose myself down after this is over. And I mean, it's funny but not funny. Look at this. Okay, it's crazy. I'm in here looking for some paper, something. This is not my normal Michael's that I usually go to. This is actually in the city. So I'm looking around, trying to figure out what things are. They have things in like awkward places. You would think they would have like the art supplies like right near, like further towards the front, but they don't. They have it like right in the back. And I have a mask on, so you guys are not gonna be able to see. So the crazy thing is I spent majority of the time like looking around and being mesmerized by things I shouldn't have been mesmerized by. Also trying to figure out how to breathe in my mask and get my life together. Okay, that was hard within itself because I really couldn't breathe in that mask, and then my glasses was like lopsided. So I was just looking like who done it? Some sort of monster in the mask, okay? But everybody else was looking crazy too, but still, you know what I'm saying? It was crazy. So now I'm back at home and it's time to start finishing my commission that I'm currently working on. Usually I don't show this part, but I thought I would show you guys that my day wasn't necessarily over. You know what I mean? I had to come back home and I got a lot of nice things. Overall, I give that whole experience at Michael's a big fat number 5, okay? Because usually I enjoy it. I enjoy going to Michael's. I think it's good to get out, you know, even though I stay home a lot in the studio working on things. I think it's still important to kind of get out there, but at the same time, because of everything that's going on in the world and the fact that people seem to be like losing their minds, and you can't really control like who puts their mask on, who doesn't put their mask on, who observes the 6-foot rule and who doesn't. It was a mess. So, I won't be doing that anytime soon, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed today's studio vlog / shopping trip, okay? I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.